Let's learn how to combine videos in TikTok on both iPhone or Android devices. Welcome back to another TikTok tutorial video. We'll show you the steps to combine 2, 3, or even more videos on TikTok directly within the app, and we don't have to download any third-party apps for this method. Firstly, you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your device. So open the App Store or the Google Play Store and just check if TikTok is updated. We'll then open the TikTok app on our device and then click on this little plus option at the bottom center of the screen in order to create a new video. We are in the camera interface, but let's click on this upload option at the right side of the screen. That's going to open our photo gallery where we will want to select the videos which we want to combine or merge. Before we select the videos, you have to make sure that this option called Select Multiple at the bottom left corner of the screen is selected. That's going to enable us to add multiple videos. So select 2 or more videos from your gallery and then click on Next. I've added 2 videos into my timeline, but I can click on this little edit icon, which should be right under the settings option. That's going to open the built-in video editor that TikTok has, and from here, you can long hold on a video and then rearrange them. You can make one clip a little bit shorter if you need to, and all that other stuff. If you need to add additional videos to your TikTok project, just click on this little plus button at the right side of the screen, and that will open our photo gallery once again. But once you've added multiple TikTok videos, and if you're happy with your selection, then click on the Next button at the top right, and you can continue uploading this TikTok like a regular video. You can see that I have 3 different videos, which I've combined into one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.